In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the price range tool on TradingView. This handy tool is perfect for anyone looking to analyze market trends and gain a deeper understanding of price movements over time. We'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you get the most out of this feature to enhance your trading strategy. First, let's start by navigating to your TradingView chart. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the drawing toolbar, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. This toolbar houses various tools that are integral to your charting experience, including those for marking trends and ranges. Next up, you're going to select the price range tool. Keep an eye out for an icon that resembles a ruler or includes a percentage sign. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to select this useful tool. By using the price range tool, you gain the ability to measure and visualize price changes between 2 points on the chart, a capability that can reveal significant insights into market behavior. With the price range tool selected, it's time to set your starting point. Click on your chart at the exact price level or candle where you wish to begin your measurement. This start point could be where you anticipate a market shift or simply want to study a particular section of historical price data. Now, it's time to drag the tool to your desired endpoint. While holding down your mouse button, drag the tool across the chart to the other price level or candle you wish to measure towards. You'll notice that a window will appear, displaying important information, including the price difference, percentage change, and duration between your selected points. Once you've positioned the endpoint where you want it, go ahead and release the mouse button. Doing so will lock your measurement into place on the chart, providing a clear visual representation of the price range. You also have the flexibility to make adjustments to your selected range if necessary. Suppose you want to tweak the span of your range or correct any mistakes. Simply click and drag the endpoint to a new position. Additionally, you can add text annotations to elaborate on your analysis directly on the chart. To do this, double-click the price range tool and you'll have the option to include any notes or observations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guiding walkthrough on effectively using the price range tool in TradingView. Whether you want to map out potential trades or review past market data, this tool is invaluable for any trader seeking deeper insights. Feel free to move or delete the range as needed and leverage this feature to improve your trading strategies and market comprehension. Thank you for watching and happy charting.